Kyle ripped his pants. What is up, my dolls? Sorry, do not mind my nails. I am going to be doing them after this video that I shoot. The first dress that I got, I love it. It's velvet. So can we scream holiday? Celebrate. And then the other thing are these cool boots. These are so cool. They're very lightweight. These are a keeper. It's really different. I can even wear some like little leggings if I want. I can wear a headband, which I do have a velvet headband. I'm going to put that in my winter haul coming out soon. But it's a velvet headband with pearls. So this is kind of giving me Blair Waldorf vibes. I thought it kind of seemed like Barbie doll. Like something that Barbie doll would wear. However, when I turned around in the back, I was like, whoa, this is like Hoochie Mama Barbie. Turn around. This is ridiculous. I mean, I get it. Don't get me wrong, I get it. For the right doll, rock it. Totally rock it. However, for me, you know, being a mommy, like, hell to the no. So, but what I will do is I do want to show you, because it's not all about me. I do want to show you guys how it would look with the boots. Wait, actually, I don't know if it does go with this dress, but the bottom line is that I love these boots, dolls. It's so lightweight. It is a little slippery, so like, buyer beware, but whatever. Okay, okay, thanks, honey.
You can share with my water, Mom.
Okay, you need mommy water? Okay, thank you, son. That's my little one right there. Oh my gosh, but he's probably like, if he saw me, he'd be like, what the weirdo? You call me.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, this is gonna go back. So let's move on to the next thing, shall we? Okay, so this is the other dress. Oh, it's really simple. It's like satin. I mean, it's just like, yeah, it's like super low neck, which I thought was like sexy in the right places. And then it's got like little cuff sleeves, long sleeve. I'm gonna try these on. Yeah, kind of like Dracula, like, oh gosh. One, ha ha ha. For someone else, this would look fine, but for me, like, nah. Okay, so I just want to do another shout out. This is my niece. She does hand painted nails only in the US. She's selling them for only $5. Only 9 years old, and she even, look at this. Can't even deal. Look at that. She even puts it on the nail holder like that. And I got this one. I'll try to look for her pictures. I have it in another video. So special shout out to her. If you're interested, please note it in the comment section below. It comes with a filer as well as a little glue for your nails. You honey, you get nail, you get boyfriend. I'm doing a giveaway. So if you do order a pair of nails from my niece, and I will also be giving you an extra free pair, again only in the US, so there will be a giveaway for that. But let me know in the comments if that's something that you would like. Thank you so much. This dress smells so potent with someone else's like perfume that I can't even. However, I do like this dress. It's like perfect for New Year's. Look at that, all the sequin. The sleeves are sheer see-through. So very simple. It's a bodycon dress, I believe. Perfect for any Christmas holiday party, if that, or for just whenever you want, obviously. But this is gonna be perfect for, I was thinking I would wear this for like New Year's or something. Love this dress. Unfortunately, whoever had fun and partied in this dress the night before left way too much perfume, and my nose is sensitive, so I cannot keep it. Okay, so really quick, I guess we could have some girl talk. I'm not sure any of you dolls in relationships, I'm not trying to pry, so don't even feel obligated or pressured to even answer that. I have not been in a long-term relationship for a long time. Like, I would say, geesh, over 10 years. And I have been focused on my career. I finished college, focused on my son, raising him first and foremost, and then finished college, and then with my BA, and then I ended up working, and then I was focused on that. And I'm always like career focused person, always like to do goals and all those things. So it wasn't like that. It was just that when I started for work, having to go out and like meet people and things like that, I think that's when I started my dating journey, and it's been very bad. I mean, I can't really say it's been really bad. It just is. It just is what it. Ooh, these are so cute. Make me happy. Okay, so yeah, see, I'm telling you guys, beauty is so important because how you feel is totally going to determine about how you treat others, how you feel about yourself. So, I mean, I think being beauty, and it's not for others. I'm saying being beautiful for yourself, like your own approval. And again, I'm still going on that journey of self-love, self-care. For those of you who have been following me from the beginning, the reason why I started this channel was because of what was going on this year, and I took some time to reflect, took it to Jesus, and kind of had to like deal with myself, which was like the best thing, to kind of figure out, you know, who do I want to be? I mean, I noticed a pattern of these cycles on many different areas too, but I think love life has always been one of those roller coasters for me, and trust issues, dating, like, you know, wanting all the thrill and all that, getting hurt, getting insecure, you know, feeding those insecurities, looking for validation, all of the above. So, but these are real things. So I don't know if any of you dolls can relate, or maybe you're going through some things. I don't know, being in a serious relationship, you know, it's a breath of fresh air, because when I was dating, oh my gosh, was I dating? I was like literally Taylor Swift. So we probably could be besties. You're so used to being independent that, you know, that compromising thing, I don't know. It's really scary actually, because, you know, they say your partner is like the most important part of your life, which it is. So wait, how long have I been in a relationship? Okay, August, September, October, November. So yeah, I just made 4 months. Believe it or not, that's a milestone. It's just so important. It just, to have something for your own, not need anyone's validation, you don't need to be like with someone just to be with someone because you're lonely or it fills up your time. When you're just like, love yourself so much, it's like you actually have you built so many other things for yourself that, you know, it's not codependent. Like, I love it. I love this channel so much. So happy. I feel like I'm so living my purpose, which has been something that I've been seeking. It's been like a void, a big burning hole in my life. And this channel, I just feel so purpose driven. I feel so excited. I feel so lit up. That's kind of what I want this channel. It's all about self-love and self-care, because I know how important that is. Self-love. Since I started, you know, my self-care journey, this channel, I have been so much more happier, like genuinely happy I've been genuinely like happy, like on such a level that I've never experienced. I just didn't feel that was possible, because I feel like I've seen it all, I've done it all. Really, what more could there be? But really, you know, it's just only begun. And so I don't know why I'm saying this. I don't know if someone needs encouragement right now, but I'm just saying that this channel is not just for myself, but I really want to be able to make an impact and be inspiration to others. And we find it through art form of beauty, and it could be any type of fun stuff, any girly, like anything that you find that makes you feel like, makes me happy. So anyway, dolls, Kyle ripped his pants. I'm sorry, that makes me laugh. I needed that laugh. That's actually pretty funny. And then so funny that, so I sold it and I fixed it. And then I guess because I fixed it, so the next few days, it's like, oh, hi honey, can you help me with these 2 pants? He has two pants, one another crotch, and then another one in the pocket. I guess it's kind of funny because, you know, we've been friends more than we've been together, lovers. And seriously, he's such a dork, but it's okay. I'm a dork. Anyway, dolls, I just love you so much. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. And these are my nails. Ooh, 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 ooh. So gorgeous. Thank you so much. And I will talk to you dolls later. Bye. Seriously. It's what I do.